today, the Republican justices on the North Carolina Supreme Court issued a super concerning 5-alarm fire order in a case about the Republican candidate for North Carolina Supreme Court justices' attempts to steal an election. In the most recent and valid election, the Democratic candidate for North Carolina Supreme Court Justice, current Justice Allison Riggs, won the election. There have been several recounts. The Republican candidate for North Carolina Supreme Court Justice is trying to steal the election by throwing out literally 60,000 votes. And he's trying to throw out ballots for totally outlandish reasons. So, for example, he says overseas voters, including those who serve in the military, and tens of thousands of North Carolina voters previously registered on voter registration forms that didn't require them to include their social security number or their driver's licenses, even though a driver's license and a social security number aren't required to vote under North Carolina state law. Basically, his argument is, if the law is totally different, then I would win. And today, based on those outlandish arguments, the North Carolina Supreme Court blocked the North Carolina Board of Elections from certifying the results in the race for Justice of the North Carolina Supreme Court. They did that so they can entertain these completely outlandish, lawless arguments when they will hear argument in the case later this month. And we will certainly be watching to see what they are going to do.